Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakaria Robotic channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting, the DI Smart Home Security System upgrade. Even if you don't live in a smart home or have fancy equipment, this video will show you exactly how such systems work and how you can build a prototype using AI and low technology. We will learn how sensors, cameras, and a tiny microcontroller can turn into a digital guardian for your home or even your school project. Before we upgrade, let's understand what a smart home security system actually is. A smart security system is a network of devices like cameras, sensors, alarms, and smart locks that communicate together to protect a space. The system can detect motion, recognize faces, send alerts to your phone, and even take action like locking doors automatically. Traditional security systems just make noise when someone enters, but smart ones think. They analyze data, connect to Wi Fi, and give you full control using your phone or laptop. And the best part, you can make your own version with affordable components like an ESP32 board, a PER motion sensor, and a mini camera module. So, how can we make a simple system even smarter? Let's look at some cool upgrade ideas for your prototype. AI face recognition, so the system knows who's in front of it. Mobile app notification, using apps like Blink or Telegram. Real-time video stream from an ESP32 cam over Wi-Fi. Automatic alarm and door control triggered by a known person. Data logging in the cloud for viewing security history. Solar power backup to make it work even during power cuts. With these upgrades, you're not just building a project, you're creating the brain of a real smart home. Alright, let's imagine how we'd actually build this prototype. Here is what you need: ESP32 or ESP32 cam, the main brain. PER sensor detects any motion, buzzer and LED give sound and light alerts, jumper wires plus breadboard for connection, USB cable to power and program the board. First, connect the PER sensor to the input pin of the ESP32. Then connect a LED and a buzzer to the output pins. When the PER detects motion, the ESP32 sends a signal to activate both. If you are using the ESP32 cam, it can instantly capture a photo and send it to your phone using Wi Fi. The Arduino code is simple. It reads motion, activates alerts, and connects to the cloud for notification. And because the ESP32 has Wi Fi, it doesn't need an extra communication module. Now comes the fun part, the AI upgrade. With the ESP32 CAM, you can use lightweight AI models for face detection. That means the system doesn't just detect motion, it detects who caused it. When it recognizes a noun face, it stays calm, LED turns green. When it sees an unknown face, it activates the buzzer and sends an alert with a picture. And yes, all of that is possible with just a few lines of code and the power of machine learning. It's like having a mini robot guard right on your desk. Let's simulate it. Imagine someone walks by motion detected. The SP32 takes a photo, checks it against known data, and decides what to do. If it's me, it says access granted. If it's someone else, it says warning, unknown person detected. Even if you don't have the components, you can run the same logic in software simulation platforms like Tinkercad, Proteus, or even Python based AI demos. Smart security systems are everywhere in school, offices, and modern homes. Learning how they work prepares you for future careers in lot, robotics, and AI engineering. You could even adapt this same idea for your school project, robotics competition, or lot startup. If I upgrade this concept even more, I'd add voice assistant integration, Alexa activate security model, GPS tracking if used for vehicles or mobile robots, energy optimization using solar panels or smart power saving, multi-sensor fusion, combining motion, sound, and temperature data for smarter detection. And that's it, a full idea and upgrade of a DAI smart home security system. Even without a real house, you can learn how this technology protect people, connect devices, and build the future of smart living. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm Zakaria from Zakaria Robotic channel, and I will see you next time with another amazing tech idea. Until then, stay smart, stay secure, and keep creating. Bye.